Guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy, I like your style. Before we continue, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for a chillest analyst. Today I have news for you guys, and yesterday Dr. Ivan Koza announced that Coach Jose Rivero will be leaving Orlando Pirates by the end of this season, guys. So yes, guys, those are the news that we have for you guys today. Jose Rivero has announced that he will be leaving Orlando Pirates as soon as the season ends, guys. So I don't know what you guys think about that, because I think these are the bad news for Orlando Pirates as a whole, especially the supporters, especially the management, the rest of the management, the likes of Mandla Mngekazi, because we know that Coach Jose Rivero brought something different to this Orlando Pirates team, guys, and especially when you look at it, the past years before Coach Jose come to the Orlando Pirates, you could see that the team was really struggling. It was even fighting for position number 5. One could say that it was really difficult for Orlando Pirates to be position number 5. So yes, guys, but after Orlando Pirates appointed this guy, Coach Jose Rivero, and then Orlando Pirates, all of a sudden, guys, they started chasing the league, being position number 2 twice in a row, and now it's the third time, winning Nedbank Cup 2 times, winning MTN 8 3 times. You could say that Coach Jose Rivero is really a good coach, and he really did what we really wanted to see from him. And I still remember that when he came, people were talking all these names about him, saying that he's a plumber. How will he do it at the Orlando Pirates, because where he come from, he was not even a coach, he was an assistant coach. And yes, so but look at now what he has achieved as Orlando Pirates coach. One could say that this guy is really one of the most successful coach in the Orlando Pirates team, guys. I remember there was also this other foreign guy, Ruud Krol. He was also the best. Micho as well. Yeah, those are the guys that are coming behind Coach Jose Rivero, because I mean, he has proven it in the Orlando Pirates shirt that he can really give us a hope, and he can really win those trophies, bring back the happy days for Orlando Pirates, guys. And yes, he's been doing it ever since he came in the Orlando Pirates, and he's even doing the wonders. He's West now, he's doing great. I think 2 seasons he didn't manage to keep the team in the CAF Champions League, but then now, if you can check, the team is 1 point behind, 1 leg behind the final, guys. It's gonna go to the semi-final and then final, guys, if they keep on performing well. So do you think this thing that is happening, Coach Jose Rivero leaving the Orlando Pirates, do you really think it's gonna affect the team? Because if you can check, he announced in the middle of the season. He didn't wait for the season to end and then announced that he is going to leave, but he just announced now. And if you can check, Orlando Pirates are still have to go and play Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates still need to go play in the CAF Champions League, and as well as title race, the league, chasing the league with the Mamelodi Sundowns, guys. So I don't know, but what do you think about that? Do you think Coach Jose Rivero, is he gonna destroy the Orlando Pirates that he built, or do you think is the right moment for it to be exposed that he will be leaving the Orlando Pirates, so that the boys should bring that confidence and at least try to win everything, so that they pay tribute to Coach Jose Rivero, guys? Because we know that this guy has been doing the wonders for Orlando Pirates, including also young talents in the squad. I mean, if you can check, there are names that Coach Jose Rivero has brought into the Orlando Pirates 11. I mean, if you can check this boy Nkota, and then both defenders, Ndlozi and